Use the Now Support Service Catalog to shop requests to support your instance, which helps you take advantage of Now Support's self-service capabilities. As a ServiceNow admin, you can search through several categories and shop for request items. Common request items like activating plugins, instance upgrade, and instance restore are just a click away. The Now Support Service Catalog enables you to quickly request access and more without the need to submit a case to our technical support team. We've taken repeat requests and turned them into workflows that empower you to move at your own pace. The Now Support Service Catalog workflows are designed with you in mind, so that managing your instance and its users is easy. Simply send in your request through the catalog, then track its progress on Now Support. And we will take care of the rest. Make your work life easier. Visit the Service Catalog on Now Support today.